Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new here to my channel, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. We're here as you post videos related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, an occasional vlog. I'm really out of breath. I'm sorry. But if it's something that you are interested in, then feel free to join La Familia by hitting the subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. That way you are aware of any time that I do upload any new content on here. Of course, before I get started, I just want to send mad love to you guys. I hope that everyone's staying blessed, healthy, safe, positive things during the holiday time, during all times. I love you guys. Mwah. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so don't mind my hair. I don't know what's going on with it. It's like really crazy. I'll probably end up putting it up halfway through the video. Anyways, today we're going to be doing BoxyCharm Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of December. Yes, folks, December. I can't even believe it's December. It literally is insane. But anyway, if you don't know what BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe is, it's basically like a beauty lifestyle monthly subscription box. The base box costs, they just upped the prices on everything, but I believe the base box right now is $27.99. Now Boxyluxe comes out 4 times a year, December being one of the months, and it's literally a luxury upgrade to your base box. So for those 4 months of the year that you do get this, you pay an additional $32. So I believe for the month of December, it's like 59 bucks for this box. The good thing is that it has 8 full-size products. It's supposed to be valued, I think they said that this month it's supposed to be valued of over $500. I don't know, we will find out. I've heard so many good things and bad things because I know they've been changing the prices and a lot of people are canceling them and not really too happy about it. I personally got rid of my premium box and I'm sticking basically just to the base box with Boxyluxe every 4 times. I take that back. It's not every 4 months, it's every 3. That's why I wasn't aligning bad. I wasn't aligning right. But basically, Boxyluxe is offered on March, June, September, December. There we go. So it's every 3 months, so 4 times a year you are able to upgrade. Okay, let's get into this because I'm tired of talking already. Now, for those of you who want to know the weight, I don't know why they haven't been doing the weight anymore, so I can't tell you the weight, but I can tell you down below, which I will jot everything down below, what the theme is, and also what is the little code that they have over here. That's your variation. It has like a specific code. So it looks like for this month, it is called Winter Luxe. How convenient. There it is. The little card tells you everything that you have in the box, what it's priced at, and like I said, the variation. So let's jump into the first thing in the box. Ooh, okay, here it looks like I have something by the brand Kate Berkey. Is this correct? This is a vitamin C intensive face cream and it retails at $116 freaking dollars. Okay, that is bananas. This is insane. It says it is a cult favorite. It's a vitamin C intensive face cream that's developed to meet the needs of a lackluster complexion. All right, whatever. Why is this $116? I don't know. Let's check it out. This box is already very deceiving because it looks like it's gonna be mad big, but the cream isn't even till like halfway. Open this little girl up. It's smaller than I thought. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. You know, I thought about possibly putting this in my giveaway, but if this thing is $116, I damn sure want to try it out. Here is what the consistency looks like. It smells good. It smells fresh, actually. I'm just gonna put some on because why not? It's supposed to have a powerhouse anti-aging in it. I obviously have foundation and concealer and everything, but I just kind of wanted to get the texture on it. It's a nice texture. It does have a light scent, but it's very fresh. So I actually kind of like the scent. It's very, very fresh. All right. Do I look any younger? I'm just joking. But okay, for $116, this thing better work miracles. I do like it. I like the smell. I love the consistency. I wish it was a tiny bit bigger, but hey, that's the least the BoxyCharm could do is give us a little bit more luxury, I guess, if they're gonna charge that much of an upgrade on a box. But okay, I like it so far. Let me know if you guys have tried it out or if you know anything about it because so far, not too bad. All right, next thing in the box. Okay, so it looks like we have here some brushes. And this is by LaRouche. I don't know if it's LaRouche Beauty, but this is the Christine set. It comes with this little packaging, but this actually looks like it's mad cute. It's gray, matted with little ridges. It does say LaRouche, I don't know. And, ooh, okay. This one retails at $50 and it's supposed to include a set of a cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium dull blending brush, and a graphite threaded cup. So basically, this is the cup right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will say these bristles are mad soft. They're really, really nice. I like the edge of it. I like the color first. It's kind of like a grayish, bluish color, but I like the consistency, like those texture of the sides. They have very nice grippage. We're gonna try these out today, here in a little bit. So I'm excited for these. I feel like you can never go wrong with brushes. So I'm excited to try those out. All right, next up we have here something by the brand Aceology. This is a detoxifying treatment mask. It retails at $69. It's supposed to be supercharged health retreat for congested skin. It's supposed to drop blackheads and impurities. Okay, I don't have this one, but I have one already. So I don't think I'm going to be opening up and doing anything. I might add it to my giveaway that I have coming up on Friday, so stay tuned. It's actually going to be coming out Friday. This is 2.19 fluid ounces. Like I said, detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. I like the packaging. It's nice and sleek. I don't think I'm going to be able to smell it yet, no. I'm not even going to open it. If I find a swatch or anything helpful, I will post it somewhere up here. And if not, then I don't really know what to tell you guys about it. If anybody knows, it's cruelty-free and vegan, which is a plus. But if anybody knows anything about it, then obviously let me know down below. This is going to be getting added on to my giveaway. Stay tuned. All right, the next thing I'm actually really excited about because I almost added it on like this week to like the drop shop thing that they have at BoxyCharm. But this is by the brand Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. It retails at $40 and it's supposed to be for your body. It's hydrating and gives you intensity on rough skin, whatever that means. It's supposed to eliminate any kind of bumps and leaves your skin smooth with a glow. All right, I'm obviously not going to put this all over my body. I do like the size. It is 4.7 fluid ounces. I like Pharmacy. I really do enjoy that brand. So that's why I was kind of excited to try it. I'm literally just gonna put some like on my arms because it says body. This is what it looks like. And let's just put it on. I don't know. See, I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do, but I just like to get the feel for it. Ooh. It smells like feet. I'm not crazy about the scent. All right, let's see if it looks any better or feels any better. I will say the consistency is nice. It's moisturizing for sure. And I will say, it does offer phenomenal glow. I don't think you can see it, but the only thing I'm not crazy about is the scent, which scent for me is imperative. However, I always say that for some reason, when things don't really smell that great, as far as like skincare goes, they actually kind of work all right. Okay, I could definitely tell the glow. I could feel the moisturizing. Not crazy about the scent, but if it's gonna be helpful and it's gonna be something good for me, then I might give this a go. And this tube is composed of recycled post-consumer resin. Oh, cool. All right, guys, I don't know. I'm excited to try it. Like I said, I don't know what that smells, but anyway, I'm still excited to try it. The next one I'm so excited for. I think this is what made me like the happiest out of this Boxyluxe. This is On the Glow. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. It is $149. That is bananas. This is the On the Glow palette. It's supposed to literally create like a bronzed look. I saw it on there because this was a choice item. If you don't know, when you do have BoxyCharm, you get to pick at least one of your choices for the month, and this is my choice. This is huge. I didn't realize how big it was. So this is what it looks like. It has a big mirror here, and that is the shades. Let me take this little thing off. So when you take this off, it does give you the colors, the shade colors, and the shade names, I mean. Check this out. That is freaking beautiful. Let me do some swatches. Alright guys, that is what the swatches look like. From top to bottom, we have Blissful Highlighter, followed by Egyptian Clay Bronzer, followed by Americano Bronzer, California Dream Triangle, Beverly Hills Highlighter, and Rodeo Highlighter. Rodeo Drive, I'm sorry. That's that last one right here. Look at those shades. Alright, so one of the good things that I love about Ofra, it's definitely a lot, and I feel like I'll never get through this palette ever. But the nice thing about it is that if you have like a smaller brush, as you can see in some of the palettes itself, I did the swatches, so that's why you can kind of see the little fingerprints, but you can actually take a smaller brush and use individual highlights off one of them alone. You know what I'm saying? See, like here, there's a blush, there's two different bronzers. You can use like smaller portions of the actual shades, which is really nice as well, because it's almost like you kind of get more for your buck, I guess you could say. Anyway, let's try some of these out. Okay, I'm gonna dig into California Dream Triangle. I'm just, whoosh, that has a lot of fallout. I literally just went everywhere. So I'm gonna make sure I tap, and I'm gonna add a little bit of bronze to my face. Ooh, that is really pretty. I love mixing tones. Yeah, that is really nice. It gives me like, definitely for sure, a nice little glow. Also, one of the things that they say about this particular palette is that it's supposed to suit all different shades, which I could definitely see being the case, because it does gravitate a little bit more towards darker shades, I would say, which is nice, like medium tones. I don't know how it would work on lighter skin tones, but from this one right here, it definitely works for my skin tone, and for sure, I guess, a little bit deeper. I'm actually going to take a smaller brush and kind of dig into that little pinky color right here, because I just want to add, there you go, like a little bit more blush to my face. Ooh, okay. That's what it's looking like. And last but not least, let's do a highlight. I really want to do Rodeo Drive highlighter. I don't think I have that. So, like I said, there's a lot of fallout, but oh my goodness, it performs really, really nicely. Check this out. Even just patting it like that, Rodeo Drive, I'm literally going to do, oh, see, look at that. Just put a little bit right here. I'm going to take one of the little brushes from the new one I just got, just to kind of put this on. This is really nice. It feels very silky, very soft. I want to try this brush out really bad, so I'm literally just going to, again, add a little bit more pink here. Like I said, the bristles are very, very soft. It's very nice. I am really excited with these right now. All right, and just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna dig into one of the colors, the bronzers, maybe this one up here, that is Americano bronzer, and I'm gonna just take it, definitely tap it because there's a lot of fallout, and I'm gonna put it a little bit on my crease. All right, there you have it. You can definitely tell a difference, which is so nice. That's one of the nice things about these palettes, is that they're so universal, works for all different shades, and I love that you can, I literally just did all that to my face, even my eyes, with that one palette, which is so freaking nice. I love it. I think that's the best thing in the box so far. Let's move on. All right, next thing we have in the box is by Viseart. This is the Seamless Setting Powder, retails at $35. It's supposed to be ultra fine, flashback proof, translucent setting powder. It's supposed to basically create a matte finish. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out right now. Why not? Because I'm gonna grab one of those brushes. Packaging is cute. It's pretty simple, but you know. All right, this is a little bit whiter than I thought. There it is right there. But this says that it's supposed to absorb the oils, blur fine lines, and increase the longevity of your makeup. You can apply it with a brush, basically like in your T-zone. I'm literally going to grab one of these brushes again just to kind of try it out for us. I'm going to put literally right here. I want to see if I see any difference. I don't know if the camera's picking up what I'm picking up, but it's definitely a little bit more mattifying. My skin tone tends to be a little bit more combo, but I can see the difference. Ooh. These brushes, guys. Alright, obviously this is something I need to continue trying it. I have heard good things about the setting powder, so I am excited to try it. As of right now, I feel like my face looks pretty decent. You know, obviously, I'm no makeup expert, but based on doing this really quickly, it's not bad, and this product seems very nice. So I'm excited. Moving on. Next thing we do have here is by Persona Cosmetics. It's a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. It costs $14 and it's supposed to intensify your eye look with a creamy look. And it's supposed to be all-night wear, waterproof, and ideal for both the lash line and waterline. Let's check it out. And this is in the shade black. I was gonna say it looks brown because this is the packaging, but I don't know if you can see the tip right there. It is black. Let's go ahead and swatch it really quick. That is mad creamy. There it is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit up a little bit of my waterline and also create like a tiny little bit of line just to test it out and see how it works. Let's try this out. Oh yeah, just like look at this, guys. It's so creamy and so there that I feel like I'm gonna have to like diffuse that. That's crazy. All right, let's just create a tiny little bit of a line and move forward. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I tried on the liner. The liner is so creamy that it actually makes it kind of difficult because I felt like it was all over the place at first. So I took a small little angled brush and just kind of diffused it, and I don't know, it looks really pretty. I'm very, como se dice, like surprised, I guess you could say, of the creaminess in the swatch. I wonder if it's as long wearing as it actually claims, because as of right now, I really love it. And I didn't even do like nothing dramatic, just a tiny little bit on my waterline and on the ends, and it's really pretty. I'm impressed. Persona Cosmetics, okay. Alright guys, finally the last thing in the box, we have something by the brand Pure. This is the fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Retails at $22. It says it's vegan friendly, gluten-free, PETA approved. Is it beta or PETA? I don't know, but PETA approved, so no animals are being harmed in this. It says opposites attract with the age-defying vegan pure fully charged mascara. It's supposed to be positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for the best performance. Everyone's always going to say all these amazing things about it. We'll have to see. But it does have vitamin B. It has really good ingredients. It's supposed to strengthen your eyelashes and, of course, help them grow. This is in the shade Black. Let's try it out. Before we try it out, let's look at it. This is the packaging. Fully charged mascara. All right, and let's check out. Ooh, the applicator's nice. Here's what it looks like. All right, let's try it out. All right, this is what it looks like after one coat on this eye. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Let's do the other one. Alrighty, I am back. Look at my eyes, guys. But the mascara is actually really nice. I love the consistency of it. It's so nice. I don't know. I really enjoyed this box. I will say a lot of people have not been the happiest with BoxyCharm or anything like that. But I will say Boxyluxe did come through for me personally this month. I will say, oh wait, hold on. Let me tell you guys. The total MSRP value of this box is $495. Now, like I said earlier, I think we're paying $59 for the month. But if you do want like a full face, this month was actually the month, because I literally created like bronzer, highlighter, eyelashes, mascara, eyeliner. Like I created basically the whole look with you guys right now. All it was missing was like a little lip, but it is what it is. This has amazing products this month. I love the eyeliner. I love this palette. The brushes are amazing. This one right here, even though I don't like the smell, I'm still already impressed with the glow. And the moisturizer, that expensive ass moisturizer, I actually like it. I just don't know if I'll be able to repurchase it later, but so far so good. And the Viseart setting pot, guys, I like it. The only thing I'm not crazy about is this one, and that's not even because of anything, just because I'm not trying it right now. So we shall see, but I'm very excited to see what they're going to be coming up with, especially now that they're up the prices. I'm going to give it a couple more months and see how I'm liking it and see whether I want to continue or not. I always like Boxyluxe. I feel like it's one of the favorite ones for me personally. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of the box. Also, do you guys want me to keep trying on the products? Because I feel like it's better to try them out and show them, you know what I'm saying? Opposed to just being like, oh yeah, there's what I got. I like trying them on. So I figured this is something that I'll try to keep doing. Let me know if it's something you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching this today. Stay tuned. On Friday, I'm going to have a holiday giveaway. So if you are interested in it, stay tuned for that. And Sunday, I will be having a pregnancy update because I will be officially 39 weeks pregnant. And I'm going to the doctor tomorrow. So I'm hoping I have some good news to share with you guys all. So stay tuned for those next videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for everything. I love you guys. Mwah. Have a great day. Ciao.